Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your audio files and opening the right menu. Make sure the music is in a common format on your device so the game can read it. Once the file is copied to an accessible folder, music or a dedicated Wrestling Empire folder, launch the game and open Edit Wrestler. Then select Entrance Music. This first step gets you into the interface that assigns tracks. Without it, you can't proceed. Now, move on to locating and previewing the track inside the game. Now you locate and pick the exact file to use. Use the in-game selector to browse your device folders. Navigate to the folder where you place the song and tap the file. Preview the track so you can check length and starting point. Entrance timing matters for impact. Once happy, assign it to the wrestler's entrance slot or to a universal entrance if you want multiple characters to use it. Make sure to save changes, otherwise the selection won't persist after exiting the menu. Finish by testing and confirming the change in an actual match or entrance cutscene. You should save, exit the editor, and trigger the entrance to confirm timing and volume. If nothing plays, check file format first and ensure the game can access that folder. Permissions sometimes block reads. If it still fails, restart the game and re-import the audio, then reassign. That simple restart often clears caching issues. If it doesn't, try a different file or convert the audio to another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.